What's up, my YouTubers? I don't know, it's your girl Color, and today we're here with a new video. So today videos, before I get into that, big up to my subscribers, big up to the people them who just watch and subscribe. It's still a big good note, but do the right thing, subscribe, guys. So big up to my all subscribers them, long time. Big up my supporters them, 100%. So today we're gonna do a video. We have our lovely mangoes here. We have some limes. Yeah. We have a blender. We have a salt. We have a sugar. So today's videos, we're gonna make some jam. We're gonna make some mango jam for the first time, guys. I don't know how this is gonna come out, but I hope it comes out in a beautiful way. So yeah, guys, so I'm gonna, everything is washed, my hands are washed and clean, so I'm gonna start by cutting up. Yeah, guys, this is what we will be doing our mangoes today. After this, look like our so we're gonna be trying to dice our mango today. See that? So guys, these mangoes are common mangoes. They're known as bunchy. Some people call them stringy, some call them hairy mango. Yeah. I try to get some of them in a dice, guys. I don't know if it go work out. So guys, gonna run up a subscription. Let me reach 100k subscribers. I'm 300 and going strong. So yeah, still grateful. Still grateful, guys. So what's me do a little bit on the taste good. What's me do enough on the taste good. So anytime my mind tell me to tap, guys, that's when I will be stopping. Different way where you can do, you can peel off your mango. On your butter up. And you just side them, guys, side them. So they hear there. So yeah, guys. So yeah, this is my mango. My mangoes all cut. No anti-skin on it. All cut and secure. No anti-skin on it. All cut and secure. So to my blender, I have a small amount of water. Yeah. So, I don't want too much trash in my mango, guys. Cause remember, say me tell you, say a common mangoes. So I don't want it to be too trashy. So I'm gonna be straining that. this mixture now, I'm going to add in the trash. So no mango juice around here. Guys, them here, I no cut off the side because remember say yes, the side always trashy. So I put on this for kids, them then can eat it. So come to think of it, you could have do same so. I think yeah. This is looking so lovely already. Much less when it's spread on my bread. Who beg na get, who na beg na walk. So yeah guys, remember say if look at spillage go over there, nothing wrong, but I don't want all I trash. So yeah guys, this is the last part of the straining this. Yeah guys, this is my pot when I clean up, so I'm going to make a jam now. Should have a non-stick pan, but non-stick them rub out of the pan bottom, and the smaller pan them I have then work for me. So yeah, so come in video man. So this is my mango mixture. So you guys, may add me like a chunky mango when I have left back. And the lime time, you know guys, so I have the lime here. So go rub them. Press in some of my juice when I'm ready for it. So yeah guys, so you start prop up so okay. Store consistence. So you can if you make it and if then chunky mango your decision right. If you store it consistent, you can store and left. This is why I never want to trash them in there guys. Because I hear a mango and go up saying not turn out to be a bad idea. So you could go and watch him. So yes guys, this is my salt. And to my mixture I will be adding a little salt just to bring out more flavor. So yeah guys, you can see how it a prop. Yeah, add some sugar. Remember we are making jam guys, so don't bash me about the sweets. Yeah, give it at least 15 to 20 minutes. Yeah. So my lime. So guys, not even juice now come out of the lime. No juice now come out of it. My daughter can't lime come give me another guys. Not even juice, but we are working with what come out of it. And go up your work now guys. Let's put like a lime juice. Store. Smell good too. And the next lime. Smelling so lovely already guys. Who can sponsor me some lime? Jesus Christ. it on now. Adding more sugar to the mixture. So yeah guys, come in at this. Yeah guys. Still a little too drippy, so may I allow it to dry it down a little bit more. So guys, my mistake. Is oh, the crappings are gone. So guys, my mistake is that I blend the mango with a little bit of water. If you don't have to use, if you have a bullet blender, you don't have to use the water, you don't have to. But my blender, I don't think it would work without a little bit of water. So I add a little bit of water. So that's why I have a longer texture of getting rid of the water that I add. So now me get to me jam here now. Now the jam I go down. Jam and bread. Jam and bread. Jam and bread. So yeah, this is my jam. Get a darker color because I didn't have any white sugar or Galilee. Why name? Galileated sugar. So you guys, we never have no Galilee. Chow, make it right still. Never have no white sugar. Stick to where you know. So yeah, it's coming down to it. So they say reach to this dry out stage. You can't do left here. Oh no. Coming back cameraman. Lemon, when you reach to this dry out stage, you can't do left it. If you just sit near, you see it funny? Spoon guys, you know, drop too hard, you know. See that? How long it takes to drop? So yeah, it I get so when I take it off guys, me link up back with you. So yeah guys, this is what my jam is giving. Yeah. Then my jam transfer into this pan. But I don't want the pan to shrink, so I have my ice water here because I don't have no glass pan. Yeah, my ice water here, so I make it cool down. So yeah guys, I have my bread here, so I go be first to try out my mango jam. Oh my god! You know? Yeah, daddy! This really look good guys. Job well done. It's thicker than all Grace jam them. Grace you need to higher. Like with color. Yeah. Jam that, you know guys. This jam is jamming man. And my jam.
Like a honey.
Like a honey?
Yeah.
Like a black sugar do it. Ooh. Jesus. So you guys, my mango jam. Good on this so you can see my face. Stop it now. So you guys, if you think me do good on a job, remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. You don't know you make it to the end part of the video. My part of the video. So I don't know if the guys would like to try it on camera. So I will check in with Lisa and check in with Tashana. Saskia, of course, I say I must call her, you know, guys, but she live far. Chanel live way down the road. So just probably Tashana. Natalie, same way live way down the road. So probably just Tashana and Lisa. So stay tuned, guys. Don't call Yana. This is for Kaliana, this is for me. Yeah guys, it tastes nice, but I'm not gonna tell no lie. I don't know how mango jam it tastes like first time I make it. So I'm gonna make somebody else try. But it tastes nice, but I just target the mango vibes.
Nine out of 10.
Check in guys, so great color she make mango jam, so I'm gonna go in and eat and tell her it tastes now. Nice man. Well, I'm going to jam itself. Bad. Telling color go on with himself guys. Bad.
Rate you out of 10 now.
Can eat it full 10 man, it's nice, bad.
Alright.
Ooh. It tastes good, yeah? Tastes good.
Rate out of 10.
I don't know what this jam. Yeah, you know taste, but it tastes like a jam.
Rate you out of 10.
Rate you that thing. 7 and a half.
7.5. We take that.
The mango don't have no strong aroma like guava.
And
Yeah,
strawberry.
so it not give you mango flavor,
Yeah.
but it's jamming. Now I go tell no lie, I tell you no already. So big up.
Jamming.